Hi y'all, I'm Chase, and this is not about my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special. No, this is about my helmet setup. Somebody asked, and I'm going to try to answer them. So let's get into it. It's pretty simple, honestly. Okay, starting out, it's a GoPro Hero 9. That's pretty much it. GoPro Hero 9, it works fine. It needs cleaned, apparently. I must have got some crap on it or something. I don't know. But GoPro Hero 9. And the carrier is from Artman, it says. I'll put a link for everything down in the description except for the GoPro Hero 9. I don't think anybody's going to buy that. They have 10s, 11s, and 12s and stuff out now, so you can probably just get one of those. The Artman I got because it came with a carrier. This carrier right here that's already attached for the microphone mod. And I decided to use that. The microphone is a $8 microphone that was recommended by Shade Tree Surgeon. It goes inside my helmet. Probably can't see it in there. Yeah, it's in there. Over on this side. It's not taped in because, well, it fit perfect, and man, it fit perfect, and this, it's kind of, it's nice. It'll stay put. There is a slight small extension that is directly from GoPro. I tried using cheaper ones. I have some aluminum ones that I also bought, but this GoPro one has actually worked. I had some cheaper ones that came from a different company. They just literally shattered like glass. Last thing is the company for the mount itself that mounts it to the helmet. It's called MotorRadds. I got it off of Amazon. It wasn't super expensive. None of this stuff is really expensive, and it's worked for, let's just say, years, except for this mount. But this mount, I've had my other mounts come loose. This one has not. Now, I cleaned this just like I did on every other mount that I've ever used, and I heated it up just like I did on every other mount I've ever used, with a heat gun. I didn't get it super duper hot or anything, just warm, and it has stayed put. Yeah, it's pretty great. So I haven't had a problem with it. I've enjoyed it. It's nice. None of this stuff, except for the GoPro mod, or I think the GoPro itself is going to be expensive. That's, probably $400 or $500. Everything else was in the 20s. I think like $20 or less. So you're talking, $25 for the mod for the microphone. The microphone itself was like $8. These extensions are a few dollars maybe. And I think the MotorRadds mount was like 20 some bucks. So I'll add that up and we'll put it right here somewhere in the video. I'll put a total. But yeah, besides, I don't know what a GoPro is going for these days because I haven't even looked. This GoPro has lasted me since 2021. I usually can get at least a year or two out of a battery, which is weird. So I can get a lot of battery life out of it, a couple hours. I film at 1080p, 60 frames a second. There will be a review coming on the Citation 2 helmet. It did replace my old helmet, my Bell Qualifier Devil May Care. This one, I think this is a better helmet. They weigh very close to the same. But this one, the airflow through it's a lot nicer. I'll do a full review on this probably later. I have it filmed. I just haven't done it yet. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Click that ding to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with. I do read every comment. I'll put a little mark on the heart thing to let you know that, yes, I did read it. If you ask a question, I will try to answer it to the best of my ability. I am not a professional. I'm a professional moron. Pretty good at doing that. Screwing up, real good at that. But, yeah. So, always verify anything I say. But if there is something, I will try to get it out as soon as possible if it's concerning a bike or a helmet or anything like that. So, yeah. Stay stubborn. Get out there and ride. Get a bike. If you don't have one yet, doesn't matter what you ride. Just ride something. It really is a fulfilling and exciting hobby. No, I'm serious. It really is exciting. High speed with no protection. Pretty fun. I guess that's it. Stay stubborn. Keep getting back up. Bye, y'all.